Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 Top Safety Pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.